Alright, welcome everyone. This is a pretty cool devlog. I have quite a bit of stuff to show you. I've been so excited to work on this game. This week I was super busy, so yesterday and today I did a total of 8 hours on my free time, and I'm kind of tired now, but I'm going to have to get used to it if I'm going to do this as a career. Um, but yeah, I hope I could do this more often, but school is pretty busy around this time of year. Alright, so I'll show you what's new. As you probably saw, see, the sign is moving. So I'm not going to actually have the signs moving. That's not really my intention. It's just to show an example of AI. So the server actually has some AI running for all the entities on the map. It even gives me the capability to control, like ghost control other players as well. So that's pretty cool. There's just a couple of bugs I need to fix with it. Like as you can see, like you're not supposed to be able to read the sign when you step above it. So yeah, just a couple of bugs. So yeah, okay, I'll show you something else that I added. I just added this maybe 20 minutes ago. Took me some time to figure out how it worked exactly, but it's pretty cool. So these are all the characters that are compatible in the game. So this supports, I don't know how many languages it was I saw on the thing. I think it was a few dozen languages. It has characters for a whole bunch of languages. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I have support for a bunch of languages in the game. But this was here almost since the beginning, all this. Today I added all these new characters. So it gives me a bunch of possibilities so I can have like directional stuff. Or a bunch of things. People can do faces, like be like a smiley face, or even like a face like that, or like a mailbox thing. So I added those. I had a bit of troubles figuring out how to use that with LibGDX, but it turned out well in the end. I also got a new font. It's a little bit different. As you probably saw in the menu, the stuff is kind of offset, not super straight, so like you can tell the register thing is a little bit too much on this side, and so is a login title thing here in the continue. I'm gonna have to fix that because I'm using a new font. This font supports more characters, so if I choose to add even more characters for more languages, eventually I can do that. I also fixed teleporting in the code. There was quite a few bugs with that, so it seems to all work perfectly now, which is pretty cool. This may not be something you guys noticed, but before, for the teleporter here, I guess I might as well show you guys the Easter egg. I don't know if I showed it to you in older devlogs, but you can walk across the water here. This water here on this line is special. It doesn't have collision. It's just a different tile. So this is a teleporter. The way it used to work was that the teleporter was actually a tile just like the sand or grass or the dead flowers, and it had the animation, but now it's actually an image for the entity. So if this entity were to move, the box around it would move to show where the entity's location is, and also the image. That's not something you guys would have noticed, but it was something that was bothering me, so I fixed it. Because it was really cheap the way I set it up before. I just want to do something quick so I can show you guys teleportation. Yeah. Alright, what else? Oh yeah, something I added, I think about a month ago in this update was the kick command. I'm surprised I haven't showed you guys this by now. So if you go on the server, you kick a player. There. A kick from server and duration 96. I forget how I set it up exactly. I think that each number is 15 minutes, so that's like I think it's a day or something like that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a day. So that's how that works. And you just close it. Alright, so that's pretty neat. I added that a while ago. You can do other stuff. You can do kick, Go on the help. I think it's 4. Oh no. Help 3. Alright, so kick, and then you can set a duration and a reason. So kick. So 2 would be half an hour, and then the reason would be smells too much. Oh, whoops. Ha. Kick. John 2. For 2. Smells too much. There, and it shows up on the client as well. Yeah, I did this a while ago. It was part of my subscreen thing, so as you can see it was like a screen on top, like another layer. So I'm going to use that for the player creation also. I was just setting that up, all the backend for it, and I use the kick as an example. Alright, something else I added, this is actually really recently too, is being able to copy stuff to the clipboard. So all these characters I showed you before, you have to copy paste them into chat. I'm probably gonna add some sort of code thing. So like, just say you want like the down arrow, you would do a code like I don't know, $, and then you'd put like a couple of numbers. And then it would do a specific code. But if you just want to copy paste them into the chat, you can just copy them. So let's just copy those two. Control C. And then you go into here. You can't right click to paste. What you do is Control V and it pastes it in. It's a little bit laggy for some reason. I don't really understand why. But yeah, it works. Here, if you do Control V again, you'll see stuff starts to lag. Like the water will stop moving for a couple seconds, then I'll paste it. So I'm going to fix that. Alright, so I'll show you my to-do list. As you can see, it's a lot smaller than it was before, and I actually added a couple things, and then I completed those things, and then I have added a couple more things, so I didn't have this before. The fonts thing, I need to fix it because they're a little bit offset. This I added too, and I think this too. But yeah, I'm getting pretty close to the end for this update. So yeah, I'm planning on releasing it. I forget what day it is, but I have a long weekend break, 6 days off, and I'm planning on releasing it during then or after then. I'll have plenty of time, be able to finish up the update, make it all nice, and then I'll release it. It's somewhere at the beginning of April. I think it ends like April 4th, that weekend. So yeah, it might be around there. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like. It's really appreciated. It'll help get more people to see my videos. And also, if you want to keep updated with these devlogs, just subscribe. So see you guys next time, next week. Bye.